Hi all, today's topic is satire. Satire is a genre of literature. It is used as a means to ridicule a vice or folly which the writer holds in contempt. Satire has no particular literary form. It can be found in various forms, including essays, short stories, poetry, paintings, and even television shows. Greek Aristophanes and Roman Horace, Persius, and Juvenal are great satirists. They are the models for English satirists. Horace in his satires laughs at mankind, Persius is indignant in his portrayal of man, and Juvenal is cynical in his approach. The word satire comes from the Latin word satura, meaning satiate or fullness. A common feature of satire is strong irony or sarcasm. Satire is used in instances where the writer wishes to emphasize the flaws in a particular situation, condition, or even a person. It helps the writer to laugh at hypocrisy, vanity, and immorality. It differs from the comic in that comedy evokes laughter mainly as an end in itself, while satire derides. That is, it uses laughter as a weapon against someone or something that exists outside the work itself. That someone or something may be an individual or a type of person, a class, an institution, a nation, or the entire human race. Satire has classical origin. It is richly found in Greek and Latin literature. Satires are often classified into two types, formal or direct satire, informal or indirect satire. Indirect satire, the author or the persona speaks in the first person directly to the reader. Two types of formal satires are commonly distinguished. They are Horatian satire and Juvenalian satire. Horatian satire is named after the ancient Roman writer Horace. This type of satire is gentle, amusing, and mildly corrective, and rarely includes personal attacks. Juvenalian satire is named after another ancient Roman writer, Juvenal. His satires are harsh, bitter, and full of moral indignation and contempt. In indirect satire, the satire is expressed through a fictional narrative in which the objects of the satire are characters who make themselves and their opinions ridiculous or obnoxious by what they think, say, and do. One type of indirect satire is Menippean satire, modeled on a Greek form developed by the cynic philosopher Menippus. It is sometimes called Varronian satire after a Roman imitator, Varro. Satire is commonly found in 17th and 18th centuries. Pope, Swift, Addison, and Steele have used this powerful weapon in their famous works. Alexander Pope's The Rape of the Lock is an example of poetic satire in which he satirized the upper middle class of 18th century England. It exposes the vanity of young fashionable ladies and gentlemen and the frivolity of their actions. Swift's Gulliver's Travels is one of the finest satirical works in English literature. In it, he relentlessly satirizes politics, religion, and Western culture. Dryden's Absalom and Achitophel and Mac Flecknoe are remarkable satires. Many of Addison's spectator purposes are satiric essays. Shaw's play, Am Sandyman, is a satire about the ideas of love, war, and so on. Satire forms a very significant part of literature. Writers use it because they believe something is wrong and it needs to be corrected so that humanity can be improved. Satire wants to make people think and re-evaluate. The ultimate purpose of satire is always the correction of something gone wrong. It is an extremely powerful tool to provide a moral lesson with a didactic purpose. Let's finish here. Thank you.